Are you a non-U.S. citizen working in the United States and confused by the complex tax laws? Are you concerned about how your child will manage his inheritance and want to set up a trust that protects your money? Is your child attending college in the U.S. and you feel anxious about how they'll adjust to a different culture? I'm Janet Brewer, and we help international clients just like you solve these exact issues and more. As a specialist in estate planning and probate law, I provide legal counsel that will help you protect your loved ones and your assets. I want you to know that our team will diligently research your circumstances and needs, and you can trust that we'll make the best choices for your financial security based on all the facts. I understand the complicated challenges that international clients face, and I'm committed to finding out the best solution for you. Together, we'll devise a personalized plan to take care of your estate and your family, and give you complete peace of mind. Maybe your accountant requires that you have a living trust in place before working with you. Maybe you're considering giving money to your children, but you're unsure of the tax consequences or the best way to set up the gift. Maybe you're worried about choosing a trustee for your estate, or concerned that the current trustee is not doing a good enough job. Whatever questions or concerns you may have regarding international estate planning, we want to help. And as a thank you for stopping by this page, we'll send you our free video series, The Most Important Things You Need to Know to Protect Your Assets. Just enter your name and email in the boxes on this page, and we will send you this video series at no charge whatsoever. At the law offices of Janet Brewer, we protect your loved ones and your assets. Enter your name and email and look for our free video series. Thank you for watching.